Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. In today's video I'm going to need a baton, and my last baton I had for 4 years and it got so broken up that I turned it into a bow drill set, and it was Leland cypress. So I thought that I might use that northern red oak. But what I think I'll use is a piece of that tree right there. That's a black cherry. Those sirens are going to get those coyotes stirred up again. Now we'll chamfer these corners and try it out. I'd have rather had a straight baton, but this will be all right. Let's process up some very difficult, very tight, if you will, tulip poplar. This is good and heavy. It's about twice as heavy as my last baton, so that makes things easier. Go ahead and ferro rod ignite this in the wind. This is a bayite keychain ferro rod. It's 3 1/8 inches long by 5/16 in diameter. Alright y'all, do me a favor, before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. That's where we beat on it. I think it'll make a good baton. And it's going to live under the table just like the last one did. We'll catch you on the next one.